So I think this will be the last of the day, and this one is to do with school heating. So they take three temperatures, and depending on the average temperature, if the average is less than 17, heating should be sent on to the display, else heating should be off. Okay, so you're taking in three values here, then working at the average, and then depending, using an if statement. If that's true, then send this message out. If it's not true, else send that one out. Okay, so if I just head back to the actual program, we'll fill out the details. If I could spell my name, would be a good start, and then school heating. This was a general program in standard grade. So what we've got is we've got different departments. We've got English, we've got art, and we have music. And then we're going to work out the average. Okay, so that's me declared them and initialised them. I'm then going to get the temperature for each of these three departments. Okay, so I'm just going to just be whole numbers. So we'll just say integer, or int for short, open brackets, and then please enter art temperature. Double bracket there, and again, just you're on the computer coding, so make the most of copy and paste. So we've got English, and we've got music. So what we then have to do is then have to work out what the average is. Okay, so your average is, you're going to have to add up all these temperatures together, and once you add it up, you then divide it by 3. And music, okay, and then you put it in the brackets. If you had divide by 3 after music without the brackets, it would actually divide the music temperature by 3 and then add it to the art and English, which isn't right. We then have, well, if average is less than 17, then press enter and it'll automatically take you to the right indentation. You can then say average, that'll output the actual temperature, and then we could say heating should be on. Okay, we can then enter again, take it back to the left, else, and then we could say heating should be off. Move that up a wee bit. So heating should be off. So I'll run it with the average less than 17, then I'll run it with average greater than 17. So press F5, move that over here. Right, so it's 18 each temperature. Heating should be off. Okay, if I then run it, F5 again, keeps on moving over here, I'll just do 14 for each temperature. Okay, and this is when you end up having a table to do all your different types of normal, extreme and exceptional testing. Okay, so it says heating should be on, which isn't right. No, it is right, what we're talking about. Aye, so if it's less than 17, heating should be on. I just want to double check that then. One more time. Right, 21, heating should be off because it's too warm. Aye, that's you. Right. Okie doke, and that's that question.